If your hot water pressure suddenly sucks across your whole house, like seriously weak and freezing cold, it probably isn't just your shower acting up. Something bigger is going on with your hot water system. So, first off, check the water heater itself, because if the heater's got issues, no shower or tap is going to feel right. If it's an electric heater, see if the thermostat is set correctly or if the heating element is failing. For mains pressure systems, sometimes sediment builds up in the tank or pipes and messes with flow and temperature. Another thing, look at your pressure relief valve or any filters on your hot water line that might be clogged. Also, check if any recent plumbing changes were made that could have restricted flow or introduced airlocks. Sometimes the problem is as simple as a faulty mixing valve that blends hot and cold water unevenly, causing temperature drops. Don't forget to inspect the pipes for leaks or corrosion, which can seriously tank your pressure and heat. If you're not comfy poking around these parts yourself, it's smart to get a pro to diagnose it before spending cash on new showers or taps that won't fix the real problem. One of the biggest mistakes people make with low hot water pressure problems is blaming the shower or tap itself instead of the whole house plumbing system, which can waste time and money on the wrong fix. Another common issue is ignoring sediment buildup in your water heater tank, which blocks flow and heats water poorly. Flushing the tank regularly can fix this. Lastly, people often forget to check their mixing valves or pressure reducing valves, which can wear out and cause temperature swings or low pressure. Replacing these valves usually solves the problem quickly. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle, making home repairs way less stressful. Contractors also get a steady stream of work by connecting with people who actually need their skills, which is pretty sweet for everyone involved.